Students, as you all know, in last session, we have already designed this portion of our structure. And our structure is educator vehicle. Educator vehicle का हम ये portion already last session और we can say that last video में हम discuss कर चुके हैं और design कर चुके हैं. So firstly, we will find out and we will open that file in which we have already designed this portion. So first of all, I would like to open my LDD. As you all know how to open LDD in your systems, just go on start button and after that you can type in search box Lego Digital Designer and then you can easily find out Lego Digital Designer and after that you can easily open it. Just click on this particular Lego Digital Designer software. And you can follow these steps after installation and downloading process. So as you all know, first of all, we will go on welcome screen and my project, previous session project is Fresh Rob. So first of all, I will click on this to install or to open this file. As you can see, we have already prepared this structure, right? We have already prepared this structure in last video and today we will design the another part of our structure. As you can see, we have already done this portion. In today's video, in today's class, we will design this portion. So let's begin. So first of all, I will click on connected selection tool and just click on any single part because we know very well, जैसे ही हम किसी particular part पर click करेंगे तो हमारा पूरा complete उससे जितना भी slot, जितने भी parts connected हैं वो सभी select हो जाएंगे and then we will easily set this anywhere where we want to set, right? So I need some space for making a structure or for making another part of my structure. So I'll just put it here and after that I will start designing like this. So as you all know, for further steps, I want some part and my first part is beam frame. So I'll type in search box beam frame. As you can see, many options are here, many folders are here. So I'll type only beam frame in my search box and I can click on this particular folder to expand it, right? And this is my beam frame, which I want to take for further designing. So just click on it and just put on my work plane area. And after that, I can set the position of this beam frame like this. I want to set it, right? So this is the way I can easily set like this. Yes, but I want in this direction. But I want this particular beam frame in this particular direction like this. And after that, मेरे को यहाँ पर connector pegs की need है, right? So cross this last search and we can say that cancel this particular search and just type here connector peg, but no need to type here right now because you can see in front of us, they are available. All are available. All connector pegs are here. So you can take from here, just click on this connector peg and after that you can set like this. Yes, in this way. You can set like this. You need one more. So just click once again and take it and put it here like this. And now I want to take blue connector peg. So I can take from here but I want this connector pack in which bush is also available, or we can say that cross axle is also available. Both are available. So I can take this one, and I want one more. So I will click once again on this particular part, and after that I can rotate my work plane area, and after that I can just put it here like this. You can see. So I'll put it here, and I can take this one also, and now I can put it here, right? You can see I will set here, and after that I need one cross block. So this is the new part जो अभी तक हमने यहाँ पर यूज नहीं किया है. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? इसके लिए हमें वापस से सर्च बॉक्स का यूज करना होगा. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ सर्च बॉक्स वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर न्यू पार्ट, राइट? सो आई विल go back on my search box and I just write here cross block. And just find out here, yes, these are the cross blocks. So you can take any one which you want to take. So I will take this one, right? And now set the position like this. You can see you have to set according to your requirement. Yes, in this way, right? You can easily set. I'll show you. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, this is the plus symbol and this is also a plus symbol. तो अब आप इस क्रॉस ब्लॉक को इजीली यहाँ पर सेट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू असेंबल, राइट? सो जस्ट सेट लाइक दिस and now you can clone by the help of this clone tool. Yes, because उसके लिए हमें वापस से उसकी डायरेक्शन को सेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पर हम अपने टाइम को सेव कर सकते हैं. विद इन अ सेकेंड क्लोनिंग की हेल्प से हम इसको सेम एज इट इज यूज कर सकते हैं लाइक दिस, राइट? नाउ दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर एंड कीप इट असाइड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल. इसको हम एक साइड पर सेट कर देंगे and after that we will use, right? Now move on to here. अब अगर हम अपने डिजाइन को स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ध्यान से देखें तो जो सेम पोर्शन हमारा यहाँ पर बना हुआ है वही सेम पोर्शन हमारा अदर साइड बना हुआ है. तो उसको हम रेडी करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी नीड सेम पार्ट्स. वी नीड सेम पार्ट्स. सो नो नीड टू search out any part once again. You have to use these parts by the help of clone tool. As you all know what are the use of clone tool, you can easily create a duplicate copy of any part which is available here, which is front of us, right? So first of all, according to me, according to my requirement, I need engine. So no need to find out in search box, and because it takes too much time to find out or to searching, so you can easily click on this engine and now you can clone by the help of this, right? So this is the same part. So I'll just put it here, and after that I need one long blue connector pack. Right? I need one long blue connector pack. So I'll take it by the help of this blue long connector pack. I can take, and after that I will put it here. Right? Like this. Okay, so just click once again and set the direction properly. Yes. And in next step, you need one angular beam, which is 3/7. So you will take this angular beam, which is 3/7. It is here. So you can just click on it, and after that you can use clone tool, and now it is available, right? So you will set it here like this, right? As you can see, and you can set this blue connector peg in another direction. Yes. Yes. Now it is fine. And after that, you need one cross axle and one connector peg. So you have to use this one. So by the help of clone tool, you can easily clone it, right? This way, and you can set it here. And after that, you can take this cross axle extension by the help of clone like this. Right. Now move on to the next step. And in next step, you have to set one connector peg. So you can just type connector peg or you can clone it. So it is completely up to you. Yes, you can take from here this one. So just clone it. Yes. And after that, you can use where you want to use it. So I want to use this one here. You can change the direction. Yes, and like this you can use, right? Now move on to the next step. And next step is you need one long blue connector peg, which are here. So just click on it and set it here like this. You can take one more and set it here like this, right? Next step में आपको black connector peg चाहिए, right? So you can take from here. As you can see here, this is a black connector peg, and now you can set it here, right? And now move on to the next step. And in next step, you need Technic angular beam, which is 3/5 in size. Technic angular beam, and which is also available here. Yes, this one is Technic angular beam. So you have to copy this and just set it here. Right? So just rotate it like this, and then you can set here like this. आप देख सकते हैं. And this is the same view. Right? And now you need one cross axle, which is 8M. Right? So ये भी आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Clone कर सकते हैं. So just click on it and then you can clone it, and after that you can set it. Take it, and then set it here. Like this. You can see it's not completely set. So you have to take once again and you can set like this. Right? This is the way you can easily set. And now you need one more part, and this part is Technic 3M beam. So you have to use by the help of cloning. So just click on it, and after that you can set it here. So you have to rotate your work plane, and like you can just set it like this, right? And now you can delete the extra Technic brick which is available here. तो अब आप देख सकते हैं ऑलमोस्ट आपका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो सिमिलर नजर आ रहा है. ये देखिए, दिस इज द इनर साइड डिजाइन एंड दिस इज द आउटर साइड डिजाइन. Right? Now move on to the next step, and in next step you need one Technic angular beam. So you have to take from here by the help of clone. So just click on it and put it here, right? Like this. And now you can take one small connector pack which is available here. Okay, this one is here. Yes, this one, right? And now you can use here like this. And by the help of this single selection, you can set this one also. You can rotate like this. Yes, and now set it here. अब आप कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से इन दोनों को एक साथ सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन any part and now you can put it here. Yes, in this way, right? So this is the way you can easily set any part. So you have to delete extra parts first, like this. And now you can take another cross-sectional part by the help of clone tool. And now you can set like in this way. ध्यान रखना है क्लोन सिलेक्शन रिमूव कर देना है at the time of designing. Now you can delete all the extra parts. These parts are not useful for us. And now you can see all parts are ready exactly in same way, right? Now we will move on next step, and in next step is very important, this one. अब ये जो हमने पार्ट रेडी किया था इसको हमें कहां पर सेट करना है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो उसके लिए हमें बहुत ध्यान से चीजों को समझना होगा, राइट? और ध्यान से देखना होगा कि इस पार्ट को हमें कहां पर सेट करना है। और उसके लिए हमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट की नीड होगी, और वो पार्ट है, अगर हमें हमें ध्यान से देखें अगर हम, तो हमने यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी स्ट्रक्चर को रेडी किया हुआ है, तो वहां पर हम इसको इजीली पुट कर सकते हैं। बट बिफोर दैट हमें इसको क्या करना होगा, कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से एक साथ इसको सेलेक्ट करना होगा, राइट? लाइक दिस, ताकि हम इजीली रिमूव, सॉरी, अंडू करेंगे, ताकि इजीली हम उसको यूज कर सकें स्टूडेंट्स। सो यू हैव टू यूज कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल like this, and now you can move easily. Yes. Yes, this is the way you can set, right? You can see you have to set here, and now you can see here. These are the parts जिनको हमने रेडी किया था पहले ही, और अब हमने इसको इजीली सेट कर दिया, राइट? अब हम यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर एक क्रॉस एक्सेल, दोनों को एक साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए। I can take this one and now I'll put it here. राइट अब हम कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से इसको एक साथ सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे, एंड नाउ यू कैन इजीली सेट and you can easily check from here. First of all, you have to set this block. कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से आपको यहाँ पर सेट करना है। यस, अब आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ आप इजीली पहुंच पा रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको ये वाले ब्लॉक को शॉर्ट करना होगा ताकि आप इजीली टास्क को कर सकें। तो यू हैव टू सेट लाइक दिस एंड यू हैव टू सेट लाइक दिस, राइट? And now you can set like this. So by the help of connected selection, again you have to